What's going on, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Shrek, and we're back with some more Diesel Diaries. Told you guys I was going to be rolling out some content, and here we are. This is, I believe, episode 3. So today's task in hand is a heater core, the sleeper heater core to be exact, on a Cascadia. I believe it's like a 2013. So the heater core is actually, I don't know if we can see this. Bring the camera in here. Oh, where are them lines? Oh, there they are. So it's the heater core is right above those two lines in the sleeper area. I don't know if you guys can see them. Those two right there. It's those two lines. So we're going to be replacing it. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Of course, I'm not a professional. I didn't have any schooling in this. I went to school for Fords to work on vehicles, but I've been doing this, like I said, 3 to 4 years already, going on 4 years, and I've been getting by. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. May not be the right way, but I guarantee you, you will be able to replace it after this video. So let me set you guys up so I can show you how I take off those lines and what I do to avoid a lot of coolant spill. Alright guys, so this one has a little plastic trim underneath the sleeper that I'm going to be removing. Usually the ones I do or I have done don't have it. I believe I ran into it once before. All we have to do is loosen up a couple of bolts and it moves over to the side. The tools I'll be using to remove this little trim, I'll show you guys the trim piece right now, is a Torx 30, and my quick release. Let me show you guys. It looks like it's leaking water from the lines, so that shows me that it's already leaking inside because it's seeping through. So that's why I'm gonna replace it. Hopefully, we're having issues with this truck. It's leaking way too much water. The driver's going probably like through 2 gallons a day. We can't find a leak, so I'm thinking maybe once the thermostat opens, the water circulates to the back and it starts leaking out through the back. Because if it doesn't feel, it should be the water. So I don't know, but hopefully that fixes it. So what I'll be doing right now is removing this plastic piece, little trim piece, just unbolting what 3-4 bolts just to move it out of the way for easier access. So what we did was, is missing a bracket, has 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts I removed and 1 I loosened just to be able to move it out of the way. As you can see, the lines are a bit wet. That shows me that there is water seeping through the cab, the sleeper, down from the heater core. That means the heater core is leaking. So I will be removing top clamps and zip tying it. Zip tying it enough so it doesn't leak the rest of the coolant. So it doesn't leak more coolant than it should. What I usually do is clamp them. I have some clamps for hoses, and I usually clamp them, but right now I don't have them with me. They're in my other truck. So let me go ahead and do this, and I'll show you guys what I do inside. I'll show you guys after I zip tie how I do that and all that stuff. Alright, so get you guys in a decent angle. There it is. The lines are off. That's the top. So there it is. That up there. So this right here is the bottom of the heater core. Just remember how the lines are, because that's how it has to go back down. One's thinner than the other. Alright, so for some reason this one did not release water when I removed the lines. It's good, but just goes to show you it's better to do this when you have low coolant. That way it doesn't spill it out. But now let's go inside the cab, the sleeper, and show you guys what needs to be done inside of the sleeper. So on this one, the heater core is on this part of the cabinet. This part of your sleeper, the heater core is right in here. You open this, and then you remove this one. Just clips on, clips off. It's gonna be really dirty in there, but you remove this. You remove this little floor panel, and let me get some light in here. Your heater core is right here. This is your actual heater core. All you do is take a blade. I have just a regular razor blade, and you cut along the inside edge of the cap. It's a little indented. You guys can see it's indented already. So all you have to do is razor it and then take off that lid part. We have the new kit with us. Let me unbox it so you can see what comes with it. I use the same blade since we don't have any sponsors for blades or knives. Not yet, at least. Hopefully soon. Alright. So, quick little unboxing. For the heater core, you get the set heater core. This is the heater core that comes with. As you can see, one of them is, this one is thicker than this one. So you got to remember how it goes, or how you take out the original one. It comes with a new lid. There's a new cap for it. It comes with a little seal. There's a seal for it that goes on the inside of this one. Yeah, it goes on the inside. So it goes all in there. I'll show you guys how I do that. And then it comes with 4 screws so you can screw it back on. Let me go ahead and cut that one out so I can show you guys what it looks like when it's cut out. Alright, so there's the cap. There's the original cap. We cut it out. I'm gonna clean it out, clean it up a little bit. This is the old heater core. I'm gonna clean out the edges right now, just so when the new one goes in, once that new one goes in, it doesn't get damaged going in because the edges are too wide. So let me go ahead and take this one out. Just remember, when you take it out, remember where the thick side and the thinner side of the tubes go, and then I'll show you guys once I take it out, once I have it out. So the new one's in. Let me go ahead and put this seal on so you guys can go ahead and see what goes on with that one. So for this seal, I just start on one edge, hold it down with the flathead screwdriver, something like this, and just work it all the way over. Keep working it around. And there it is. Alright, there's your, can't see it really in there, but it's in there. So then you just put it on top. You put it up there, and then get your 4 little screws, and the 4 screws will go all the way in, just like this. Let me grab my quick release with the right Torx. I'll tell you guys what Torx it is right now. Alright, so this one is a Torx 20. I don't know if you guys can see the size. It's Torx 20, using my quick release again. And we're just gonna hit them. I already kind of let them in by hand. So then we just torque it in. That's how I do it. Down evenly. A little too much power on that one. There it is. There's that. Now we just put our little floor panel on it. Back in there. Close that. There we go, there we go, there we go. We'll go back down there right now. And, oh, probably need some lighting. We'll go back down there right now and we'll go ahead and put those hoses back where they go. Pressurize it. That's all there is. So, you can't really see. Well, yeah, you can. So you can see there it is. Let me put you guys in there real quick. Sideways. There's the ends. There's the hoses. We're gonna have to put them in there and hopefully that's it. Alright guys, so what I went ahead and did as well, I went ahead and I cut 2 pieces of hoses just to replace the old ones. The old ones were all greasy and weathered, so went ahead and replaced them. Oh, let's see, there it is. Went ahead and replaced it. Put the clamps back on. Right now what I will be doing next is putting the little piece of plastic, bolting it back up. Then I will top it off with coolant, pressurize it, see if it leaks back here, and then send it on its way. So that's how I do a sleeper heater core. Like I said, it might not be the right way, but that's how I get it done. This video should help you and guide you on how to do it on your own. Please drop a comment, like, share this video with someone that's probably doing it or someone that needs to do theirs. Leave me some comments, tell me what's next. Like I said, I'm gonna keep rolling these videos out, maybe 1 or 2 a week, depending what I have going on. Probably do a video on tires. I have tires coming up and brakes. So please subscribe because there will be more content coming out. This was Diesel Diaries episode 3. Appreciate the support so far. Thank you for watching. Till next time, guys. Peace.